What's my biggest goal this semester? Improve my grades and my English.
Hello, and welcome to day 25 of our English speaking practice. Today, you'll practice natural self-talk, the kind of English you can say to yourself while sitting alone in a university cafeteria in the United States. Talking to yourself in English is a great way to improve your speaking confidence, build vocabulary, and start thinking in English. This lesson is at the B1 level, so the conversations are simple, natural, and useful for everyday university life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak out loud. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Are you ready? Let's begin.
What should I have for lunch today? I think I'll try the pasta. It looks good. Am I eating too late? No, I still have plenty of time. Should I get dessert? Maybe, but only if I'm still hungry. Is this cafeteria always this crowded? It usually is around noon. Do I like the food here? Most of the time. It's better than I expected. Should I eat something healthier? Yes, I should eat more vegetables. Why is everyone in such a hurry? They probably have classes soon. Do I have enough energy today? Yes, I slept well last night. Should I drink another cup of coffee? No, 1 cup is enough. What should I do after lunch? I'll go to the library. Did I finish today's homework? Almost. I just need to finish one assignment. Which class do I have next? My economics class starts at 2. Should I review my notes now? Yes, even 10 minutes will help. Am I ready for the quiz? I think so, but I should review a little more. What topic was difficult? Statistics was a little confusing. Can I ask the professor for help? Of course. That's what office hours are for. Am I improving my English? Yes, I understand more every week. Should I speak more in class? Yes, it's good practice. Why do I still make mistakes? Because I'm learning. Mistakes are normal. Should I watch English videos tonight? Yes, they'll help your listening skills. Should I learn 5 new words today? That's a realistic goal. Can I understand this conversation? Most of it. That's progress. Should I speak more slowly? Yes, clear speech is better than fast speech. Do I sound more confident? Yes, much more than before. Why am I sitting alone today? I just wanted some quiet time. Should I introduce myself to someone? Yes, they might be happy to meet you. What if don't want to talk? That's okay. Not everyone is available. How can I start a conversation? Ask a simple question. What could I ask? Is this seat available? Will I make friends here? Yes, it just takes time. Do I enjoy studying in the US? Yes, it's an exciting experience. What do I like most about campus? The friendly atmosphere. Should I join a student club? Yes, it's a great way to meet people. What club interests me? Maybe the International Student Club. Should I attend more campus events? Yes, they're fun and useful. What should I do this weekend? Explore the city. Have I called my family this week? Not yet. I'll call them tonight. Do I miss home? Yes, sometimes. How do I feel today? I feel calm and motivated. Why am I feeling stressed? I have several assignments due soon. Can I finish everything? Yes, if I manage my time well. Should I make a to-do list? That's a smart idea. What's my biggest goal this semester? Improve my grades and my English. Am I working hard enough? Yes, but I can stay more organized. What did I do well today? I participated in class. What can I improve tomorrow? My time management. Should I take a short break? Yes, I deserve one. Why is learning English important? It opens many opportunities. Do I believe in myself? Yes, I do. What keeps me motivated? My future goals. Am I becoming more independent? Yes, living abroad has taught me a lot. What have I learned this semester? I've learned to solve problems on my own. Should I worry about every mistake? No, mistakes help me learn. What makes today special? Every day is a chance to improve. What's one thing I'm grateful for? The opportunity to study here. Am I moving toward my goals? Yes, one step at a time. Should I stay positive? Definitely. A positive attitude helps. What should I focus on right now? Finishing today's tasks. What will I do after graduation? I'll look for a good job and keep learning. What's the most important thing today? Do my best and enjoy the journey.
Great job! You finished today's self-talk practice. Remember, speaking English isn't only about talking with other people. You can improve every day by talking to yourself in English. Try using these sentences the next time you're eating alone, walking across campus, or waiting for class. Even a few minutes of daily practice can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to practice it again tomorrow. Repeating the same sentences helps you speak more naturally and confidently. Thank you for practicing with me today. Have a wonderful day, keep speaking English, and I'll see you in the next lesson.